Elmer, do you have a moment? My brother-in-law just landed that maintenance contract for the West Wing. You know how the family is, it's a lot of pressure. I just want to ensure the transition is smooth. Look, you're doing audit next month. My brother-in-law just landed that maintenance contract for the West Wing. He thought it was a small request. He didn't understand that for an auditor, small. I respect our history, but I can't do that. It's a minor thing, Elmer. A friendly nudge. We are on the same team. That's exactly why I'm keeping this process clean. The silence lasted for weeks. It wasn't a confrontation, it was a cold shoulder. And therefore, the billing irregularities from the external vendor appear systemic. We recommend immediate termination of the contract and a full review of our procurement protocols. About the audit 2 years ago. I hope you understand why I couldn't bend the rules. I would have been too compromised to catch this one. The moment you start making exceptions, you can't stop. Independence isn't just a policy you follow when it's convenient, Signe. It's the reason yours is finally spoken. It cannot be ignored.